Welcome to our IoT project series. This is part 1 where we will creating a gas leakage detector using ESP8266 and Blynk. To make this, we will need an ESP8266 microcontroller board and an MQ135 gas sensor module. You can also use an MQ2 gas sensor module along with some jumper wires and a breadboard. Mount the components on the breadboard and connect them with jumper wires. Now follow the circuit diagram and make your connections. After completing the connections, connect your ESP board with your computer. Now open your browser and search for Blynk. Open the first link and click on login. After logging, you can click on this new template and create one template. I am labeling it as gas leakage alert. We will select the board as ESP8266 connection, type Wi-Fi and give the description of this project. Now we'll press on the done button. Now click on data streams. Here we will create the new data stream. So we will use virtual pin. We will name it as gas value. Alias name is also gas value. We will select the pin VO and data stream as integer and maximum value will be 1000. Now we will press on the create button. Click on the save button to save the changes. Next we will go to events and notifications. Click on the edit button. Here we will create a new event. We will name the event as gas alert. Event code will be the same and we'll press on the warning button. And here we will enter the warning message that is gas leakage detector. We will set the duration to every 1 minute. And then we will press on these two buttons. Now we will move to the notification setting and enable the notifications. And we will send it to device owner. And finally we will click on create. Now we'll go to web dashboard. And here we will search for gauge. Now drag this to your main board and go to settings. Label this as gas value. Select the data stream as V0. You can also change the color of this. And we will click on save button. Click on the save button to save the changes. And here we will click on new device. We will add a new device from a template. Here we will get all the credentials and the code required for the NodeMCU. Simply click on it and it will get copied. Next, open the Arduino IDE and paste it at the top of this code. Next thing you need to change is the Wi-Fi name and the Wi-Fi password. So enter the Wi-Fi name and the Wi-Fi password. We need to change this hassle value. So this is the value which we are getting from the MQ135 sensor. So first we will select the board, that is NodeMCU 1.0 ESP12E module. We will select the board and we will upload this code. So after uploading the code, open the serial monitor, select the bond rate as 115200. You can see the reading from the MQ135 gas sensor. So this is the default reading. And when I apply some gas over it, it will change the reading. So we will take an average reading when the gas is thrown on the sensor. And we will use that reading as the threshold value. So in my case, it was around 135. So when the gas sensor touches the threshold value, it triggers the email and also the notifications on the smartphone. And also make sure the event code is same as what you mentioned in the event. So over here you can go and check what you enter. So this should be same as in the code. Now again upload the code after setting the threshold value. As you can see on the main dashboard, it displays the value from the gas sensor. If it goes over 135, it triggers a warning message. Now open the Blynk IoT mobile application. Open this project which we created here. Click on the add button and over here we will add a gauge. So press on this gauge button. Open this and over here go to the data stream and select the V0 data stream. You can also change the color of this gauge. So to change it, go to design and over here in the bottom you can change the color. And even you can change the font size as well. After setting everything, press to the back button and go to the main dashboard. So finally our project is ready. So when I throw gas on the sensor, you can see the change in the value. When it reaches above 135, it triggers the notification. You can see the notification gas leakage alert, and it will also trigger an email to the owner's ID. So as you can see this. If you have any questions or any problem during the project, just drop a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you enjoyed this video. And stay tuned for more easy IDE projects. See you next time.